Okay, now I got my shelf in here, my spike shelf for Spike's bed, plus toolbox, I guess you'd say. And here's my toolbox. And there we go. And then this had to go in 2 pieces, so hinged it, so that comes up, and then got storage down there, and then of course storage under there is where I got the battery charger at, and then it's got this piece here to get it out of the way of the flap actuator. So there's Spiker's bed. I don't know if he'll want to stay back there or not. I've got to put a net or something in the back and the front. I don't know if he'll like it back there or not, but we will see. There you go. Well, here's another shot of the instrument panel with the MGL radio down there on your right, and MGL instrument on the right there top, and MGL flight instrument on the left. And then this is my secondary ignition switch and my mag switch and flap switch.